Did you know there exists a creature so extraordinary that it can soar through the air not with feathers and wings, but with a membrane stretched between its limbs? This, my friends, is the remarkable sugar glider, a testament to the astounding diversity of the animal kingdom and the curious choices we humans make in our pursuit of companionship. From the depths of our oceans to the dense canopies of rainforests, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. But what about our homes? While cats and dogs have long held the title of man's best friend, a growing number of animal enthusiasts are venturing beyond the conventional, choosing to share their lives with creatures far more unusual. Join me now as we journey into the fascinating world of unusual pets, exploring the unique characteristics, captivating behaviors and essential care requirements of these extraordinary creatures. Our first encounter brings us face to face with the sugar glider, a diminutive marvel native to the eucalyptus forests of Australia and Indonesia. This nocturnal wonder, no larger than a human hand, possesses a remarkable adaptation, a thin membrane of skin called a patagium, stretching from its wrists to its ankles, allowing it to glide effortlessly between trees. Imagine, if you will, a miniature acrobat silently navigating your living room, leaping from bookshelf to curtain rod with astounding grace. This is the reality for those who share their homes with sugar gliders. However, their captivating aerial displays come with a unique set of needs. As social animals, sugar gliders thrive in groups, requiring spacious enclosures filled with branches, toys, and cozy pouches for nesting. Their diet is equally specialized, consisting of a delicate balance of fruits, vegetables, insects, and specially formulated nectar. Owning a sugar glider is not for the faint of heart, but for those with the dedication to meet their needs. The rewards are immeasurable. Our next subject takes us from the treetops to the depths of freshwater lakes in Mexico, where we encounter a creature seemingly frozen in a state of perpetual youth, the axolotl. This enigmatic amphibian, with its feathery gills and permanently upturned mouth as if sporting a gentle smile, possesses an almost mythical ability: regeneration. Unlike most animals, the axolotl can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cord sections, and even parts of its heart and brain, a feat that continues to astound scientists. This remarkable ability, coupled with their relatively simple care requirements, has made them increasingly popular in the world of unusual pets. Axolotls, however, are not your typical playful companions. They are creatures of quiet contemplation, preferring the stillness of their aquatic homes. Their serene nature and captivating gaze offer a unique form of companionship, inviting us to slow down, observe, and marvel at the wonders of the natural world. From the cool waters of Mexico, we journey to the scorching sands of the Sahara Desert, home to a creature exquisitely adapted to life on the edge, the fennec fox. This pint-sized canine, no larger than a house cat, is instantly recognizable by its comically large ears, a feature that serves not only to dissipate heat, but also to amplify the faintest sounds of prey. Imagine the soft pitter-patter of tiny paws on hardwood floors, punctuated by the occasional playful yip, like a miniature echo of the desert night. This is the reality for those who share their lives with fennec foxes. Their playful antics and endearingly large ears bring a touch of the exotic to the domestic sphere. However, owning a fennec fox is not without its challenges. Their natural instincts, honed by generations of survival in harsh environments, require special considerations. They need ample space to roam and dig, a diet that mimics their natural prey, and a patient owner who understands their unique needs. Our journey takes us next to the lush wetlands of South America, where we encounter the world's largest rodent, the capybara. This semi-aquatic mammal, resembling an oversized guinea pig, challenges our preconceived notions of what constitutes a pet. Imagine, if you will, a creature the size of a small dog, but with the gentle disposition of a Zen master, lounging in your backyard pool. This is the reality for those who share their lives with capybaras. Their calm demeanor, social nature, and love for water make them surprisingly adaptable companions. However, their size and specific needs require careful consideration. Capybaras are highly social animals, thriving in herds and requiring ample space for grazing and swimming. They're also prodigious chewers, necessitating a capybara-proofed environment and a constant supply of branches and toys to satisfy their gnawing instincts. Our final stop takes us to the rugged landscapes of Central and West Africa, home to a miniature marvel, the pygmy goat. These diminutive goats, standing no taller than a large dog, were originally bred for their milk and meat, but their playful nature and endearing antics have earned them a place in the hearts of many as beloved companions. Imagine the pitter-patter of tiny hooves in your backyard, accompanied by the occasional playful bleat as a miniature goat leaps and frolics with the boundless energy of a puppy. This is the reality for those who share their lives with pygmy goats. Their playful nature, coupled with their manageable size, makes them a unique and rewarding addition to the family. However, their natural instincts, honed by generations of grazing and browsing, require careful consideration. Pygmy goats need ample space to roam and graze, a diet rich in hay and fresh vegetation, and a sturdy fence to keep them from venturing beyond their designated pastures. As we conclude our exploration into the world of unusual pets, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. From the gliding prowess of the sugar glider to the regenerative capabilities of the axolotl, the diversity of life on our planet is truly astounding. However, the decision to share our lives with any animal, be it a common cat or a capybara, should not be taken lightly. These creatures, each with their unique needs and quirks, deserve our respect, understanding, and a commitment to providing them with the best possible care. So, the next time you encounter an animal that seems unusual or extraordinary, take a moment to appreciate its uniqueness, to learn about its story, and to consider the immense responsibility and profound rewards that come with welcoming any creature, great or small, into our lives. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.